At first light, when the air is still and heavy with dew, I sometimes find a spider's web stretched between branches like a wheel of light. The droplets trace its design, each thread catching the sun for just an instant before vanishing again. The orb-weaving spiders are the craftsmen of the air. Their webs are both trap and architecture, woven expressions of instinct, refined through millions of years. They don't learn this skill, they are born knowing. The measurements, the tension, the spiral, all written in their genes, passed down through generations of trial and success. Watching one work is hypnotic. It casts a single thread, letting it drift until it catches. From that anchor it builds a frame, then the radiating spokes, then the spiral itself, moving with the precision of a master weaver. It steps lightly along the non-sticky threads, laying down the capture spiral in careful circles. The process reminds me of the fishermen of old, mending their nets or casting lines by hand. Craft and patience join in a single motion. But these spiders are hunters and artists at once, building their nets on the invisible currents of air. When the web is complete, the spider waits, motionless, listening. The slightest vibration tells it where to move. A trapped fly trembles the lines, and in an instant, the spider rushes to strike, guided by the music of its own design. What I find most remarkable is that the web is never permanent. Each night, the spider eats its own silk, recycling those proteins to build again. Nothing wasted, everything renewed. The craft is temporary, but the pattern endures. In that rhythm of weaving and undoing, I see something deeply familiar, a truth shared by all makers. We measure, we build, we let go, and we begin again.